So hey guys, good morning. So just now I came back from tuition and now I'm going to have meal. But before that, I just had medicines because I'm getting pain in my throat. So that's why. And after 1 hour I'll have meal. So before that I have some work, so I will complete that. And then I want to go to the outside area because I want to do admission for my younger brother. So okay, so let's go and complete some of my regular task. And before having meal, I'll complete meditation because when I came back from there, at that time I'll be very tired, and that's why I want to complete that first. And yesterday also I did not have time, so that's because my room was crowded, so that's why. So okay, so let's go and complete my work. So guys, I just came back from college, and I complete admission uh, for my younger brother. So guys, whole day was spent there. I have spent my whole day there, and guys, this is my second trip there. I did not make any vlog because I was so busy due to in the morning I was feeling so much weakness, and my throat has pain, some of pain, and also I had some fever. So that's why I when I came back from tuition in the morning, at that time I had medicines and tablets, and after that I took a rest, and then I went to the college. But when I uh, when I went there, at that time due to some issue, I reached there uh, uh, after 2 hours. That 2 hours delay, I reached there. And after when I reached there, at that time I have completed all the process and all the thing. And after that I just came back from there. So okay, so now I'm going to complete my overall task as well as my studies. And today I want to complete all the thing because I'm only one day, and in this one day I have to complete all the writing work because after that there will be a Sunday. So Sunday is very crucial because I have to learn for my next exam, because after Sunday, that is upcoming Monday, the term one exam will start it. So that's why I have to prepare for that. And last semester and that previous semester, uh, my SGPA was so much bad, so that's why I have to improve from here. And also guys, I leave my competitive exam due to tuition work and college work, and due to so much reasons are there. So but uh, when I until till 1 month or 2 months I will stop, and when I started that I will continue, and I will continue with my dedication and my hard work. So okay, so let's go. And first of all, complete my meditation. Remaining discuss will complete after the meditation. So let's go. So guys, I have completed my meditation. So now I am going to take some for eating because I am very hungry. Just I had a meal in the morning. After that I did not had. So let's go and uh, take some, and after that I will continue my writing work or other thing I will complete. So guys, some time ago I had meal, and after that I took medicines. So now I'm going to take a nap, and after that I'll continue my writing work because only 2 days I have, and then I will there were exams, so that's why I have to complete all the things. So okay, so let's go and complete it. And also guys, today whole day was spent there, so that's why I did not complete anything. Also yesterday also, that's because due to some work, and that's why. And but yesterday also I completed some of work, but just only 5 to 6 pages are remaining, so that I will complete now. And also I will complete my assignments because assignment is more important, uh, because I will learn from there. So okay, so let's go and complete it. First of all, I'm going to take a rest. So guys, when I had meal, I decided that I will take a rest. But now I'm getting so much sleepy, and due to I had tablets and medicine, so I think I need sleep. So okay, so now I'm going to take a sleep and I'm going for bed. So okay guys, so now I'll upload this video and then I'll directly go for the bed. So okay, tomorrow there will be a 15 hours, so that's why I have to wake up early and I plan to go to the school. That's I want to. Okay, so whatever it is, so now I'm excited for tomorrow. So okay, so that's it for the vlog. Bye.